Hello guys and welcome back to Claude Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a head-on collision between two semi-truck drivers. Check this one out. These bikers were just riding around and enjoying a nice day, when all of a sudden they came across a lady who was in desperate need of some help because she got stuck. Of course, the bikers couldn't move on without trying to help her, and the whole situation looked like this. Make sure to stick around and watch this one.
Oh.
पछाडि गइन्द बाबु अगाडि गइन्द पछाडि गछ नि बाबु
हैन अगाडि नै गर्नु
This driver noticed the biker in his side view mirror and he intentionally made space for the biker to pass. That's rare to see nowadays, because drivers usually block bikers off.
Thank you.
We have yet another video full of driving mistakes done in traffic, and this biker caught it all on his camera. The purpose of videos like this one is for you guys to observe and learn out of them, so therefore enjoy, pay close attention, and try to learn as much as possible.
Eu ia que passei pela direita e não tinha que passar. Oh, caralho, meu.
Pay close attention at the pickup truck driver in front of the biker here. This guy had no idea how to maintain a proper lane position, and because of that, he was seen swerving all over the road and nearly causing multiple accidents. Never behave like this guy on the road. Cameron was not the only victim of a cut-off in this situation. Check out the driver who cut him off. He proceeded to do so further on in traffic, and a lot of drivers were put at unnecessary risk because of that.
die!
There's a reason we always tell you not to run a red light, people, because the risk is way too high.
Oh my gosh.
왜 그래?
아니 또 다른 사람한테 팔까봐.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the fails you witnessed in today's episode. Because after all, that's the purpose of this channel, for you to observe and learn on the mistakes of others. If you really enjoy this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we really appreciate that. And while you're at it, please subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And remember, until the next episode, always drive safe and watch yourselves.